Hey everybody, Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano Beach. Today we're looking at a 2025 Sea Ray 280 SLX Outboard. It is for sale. Only 65 hours on the twin 250 Mercury Verados with joystick piloting, underwater lights, all bottom painted, sea deck throughout. This has the dune interior, and you saw that gorgeous horizon gray exterior color, power tower with extension on it to get tons of shade, sea deck throughout, premier stereo system, twin Simrad 12-inch displays, barely used, ready for its next owner. You even have a enclosed head with vacuum flush toilet. Such a perfect day boat down here. It's a mid 50s, high 50s top speed boat. It's perfectly equipped with the 250s on it. Windlass anchor, tables you can pull out when you want to use them. Such a gorgeous boat, one of our best-selling Sea Ray SLX models now. All your joystick controls. Everything's run through the Simrads now. Again, Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano Beach. This is a 2025 Sea Ray 280 SLX for sale here in Fort Lauderdale. Give me a call today, 561-654-6058. Thanks for watching.